Keep some time until it is smooth.
Yeah, becoming
This is the dough.
absorb each other. This is tuna fish. Put the ginger, some lemon, some black pepper. Use water. I boil some time. Now this is finished boiling. The skin I peeling off. Then like this. I will crush this. Okay, take the bones. See all the bones inside. Crush this. Use this as a meat.
Tuna.
Tuna.
Already boiled.
Yeah.
With ginger and black pepper.
Lemon.
And lemon.
Yeah. Drain the water through this.
Change water and.
No, drain the water. Just throw the water.
Drain water and crush.
Yeah, crush the meat. Yeah.
Remove the bones and crush.
Okay. And this is it. Like
this is the boiled one. With ginger, black pepper and lemon. This is the crushed fish.
Yeah.
Tuna. Fresh tuna crushed after boiling. Add
sesame oil.
About
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon soy sauce.
Black soy sauce.
No, light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce 1.5 teaspoons.
Then mix.
And then mix.
Any spicy?
Put Chinese spices powder.
The white pepper
and add white pepper. Ground white pepper.
Freshly ground. Yeah.
Freshly ground white pepper. And then mix again.
Mix again.
Mix thoroughly.
Okay, you can keep some time. Now I will use this one, ginger.
And leave for some time.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah. Chop spring onion.
Yeah. Inside.
Add
Ginger.
chop ginger. Chop into fine size. Very small size.
Yes.
Add
Inside.
Add into the bowl.
Yeah.
Add
Little dark soy sauce.
dark soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon.
Then add oil.
Add
oil.
cooking oil
Corn oil.
or corn oil, about 3 tablespoons. And then mix properly.
Mix properly.
Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil.
Yeah.
Sweet soybean paste. Add into the bowl about
1.5 teaspoon.
2 teaspoons. 1.5 teaspoons.
Like this one's small quantity. This will give a little taste.
And mix again.
Yeah, mix again. See now.
Chop mushroom.
Mushroom already put in the soaked in the water.
Already soaked in water more than 2 hours. And it's well soaked in water. Chop into fine size and add into the bowl. Add into the bowl. Mushroom was about 3 pieces of mushroom. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. And mix it. Put a frying pan
Yeah.
on the stove.
Then
Yeah. Add
don't say
oil,
add oil. This is mustard oil.
mustard oil,
Yeah, it's very expensive also. Not everybody.
about 2 tablespoons.
Then,
Now add the shaken egg, beaten egg mix. Beaten mixed eggs. Now add it into the
yeah.
mixture. Add it into the mixture. Just like scrambled egg. Mix properly. Salt to taste.
Yeah. Then this
Add
little
little oil.
We call it juncai, but this is not exactly
This is onion leaves.
juncai. This one strong your kidney. It's good for the open eat.
Cut into small pieces. Add the
This is green leaves.
cut leaves. Mix the whole thing
Yeah, so you don't
properly.
don't mix like that, and the water will come out too much.
Mix slowly
Yeah.
so that the water will not get separated. The dough on the cutting board. Add some dry flour and roll it.
Just make it even.
That is the rolled dough mix.
Take some time.
Cover and keep for some time. Cover to avoid water getting evaporated. Mix the dough mix with dry flour. Break into sizable pieces. Flatten it and then start creating the dough. Start creating the dumpling mix, dumpling skin.
Yeah.
Start creating the dumpling skin.
And
Now fill up the dumpling skin with the mix.
mixture. Like this.
Now make the dumpling shape. That is the dumpling shape.
Like this.
Finished dumpling. Again another one. Preparation of the dumpling. That is the finished dumpling. That is rolling the skin. rolling the dumpling skin from the dough mix, filling the dumpling mix. That is the finished dumpling.
You guys,
Now that's the finished dumplings. This has to be put in the steam. Put cooking oil into a frying pan. Add finished dumplings. Cover.
yeah. After that, put the water.
Use medium flame. Cover the pan and keep fry it for about 10 to 15 minutes.
这样的意思。
Add water
Yeah.
after 10 minutes. Now that is the dish. Now with cover.
Yeah.
Cover it and keep for how many minutes?
10 minutes 就 until the water dry. 好了。
Cover it and cook it until the water dries off. This is corn flour mixed with water. Corn flour mixed with water. And add into the
Yeah.
pan.
Yeah.
The previous water dried off. Add this corn starch water. Now mix it. Now once the liquid is dried off,
That's
that's
ready.
that's ready. Now keep it close. Huh?
Yeah.
Now add sprinkle already chopped spring onions on top.
That's really good. 好了。
Now it's finished. That is the finished dish. These are the fried dumplings. That is chopped garlic in vinegar. You eat the dumpling with the vinegar, garlic vinegar.